Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Andre and this is Dr. Gradus International YouTube channel. Thank you for joining. So today we continue making pineapple gin, and today I have to do stripping run. Mash is ready for about a month, maybe month and a half. In August I had COVID-19, so I couldn't feel anything. I had no taste and I had no nose. Yeah, so right now I feel absolutely fine, and that's why I continue making, because I have proper understanding of taste and flavors. This is really important. Anyway, the mash is absolutely fine and we're ready to distill it. So we divide this huge video in many parts, because it's very important to show our equipment in different situations. For some people it's really important and they ask for it, so I hope it will be fine to watch so many episodes. Anyway, if you're gonna love this content, if you find something interesting, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and share this video with your friends if you have someone to discuss about it. Anyway, let's get to it. So for the stripping run, I'm gonna be using just a simple pot still distiller made from parts of different equipment, and also I'm gonna be using anti-foam agent because this mash foams just so bad. I already tried to distill it on a continuous still, but the effect and the result was so bad, so I couldn't do anything with that and I left that idea. Yeah, I could add anti-foam agent, mix it and wait for some time and then distill it, but I left that idea just to make it more simple. Yeah, so anti-foam agent, 3 stages. I'm also going to be using mash packing, which is made from copper, just to get away from the sulfur, which is obviously going to happen in this grain mash, which is made from malt. As you probably remember, previous video is up here. Yep. Anyway, let's use the siphon, the small siphon, which I really love and a lot of people love to use it, and siphon everything to our boiler. Alright guys, the mash already is in the boiler. We have 90 liters of it over here. There's a lot of space for foam, so that's why I'm not using a cone lid on the top, and also we're using anti-foam agent. That's why I don't really worry about it. And we have a stainless steel glass unit, so we will be able to see cloudy things if there's going to be some of it. Well, here I got almost 500 milliliters of 4 shorts and heads. Yeah, there's huge amount of bad flavor, and we don't really need to keep it in whole our product. So at this moment we have 6 kilowatt of power. Everything is fine. We don't have foam in our boiler, and we don't see it in a side glass, and everything is fine. We collected almost 7 liters of product. The ABV is about 38, 35 maybe. Everything is fine, so let's continue. All we need to do is just cut down the volume to make it more easier to work with. Yep, I hope it sounds correctly. So that's it. I just ended distillation process. I got about 93.3 degrees in the boiler, and it's like I got really tired. It's always happening. Same with mash, which is made from grain and malt, whatever it is. The result is pretty good. We have a lot of low wines to work with, and the next video is going to be about the second distillation, and I'm still thinking of equipment I'm gonna use. So if you have an idea of what shall I use, leave in a comment. Maybe I will make small batches with different equipment and see what is going to be better for us. Anyway, in the next video I will probably start adding pineapple flavor by using a gin basket as well. So it's gonna be interesting. Thank you for joining, and thank you for watching this video. If you got any questions about our equipment, feel free to comment below. Ask anything you like. We'll be glad to answer and help. Thank you for watching. Happy distilling.